In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign a Business Associate Agreement or BAA with Google Workspace, which is an important step for businesses, particularly those in the healthcare sector. If your organization handles protected health information, this agreement aids in ensuring compliance with the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, also known as HIPAA. Now, let's dive into the straightforward process of setting it up in just a few minutes. To begin, you'll need to head over to the Google Workspace website. Once there, look for the link to the admin console, which is a central hub that lets you manage your organization's Google services. Click on this link to proceed. The next step involves logging in. You need to enter your business email address and then click on Next to continue. Make sure you're using the email associated with your organization's Google Workspace account, as this is critical for accessing administrative functions. Once you're logged into the admin console, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice the Google Apps menu there. Click on it to reveal a range of options, but for our purposes, look out for the admin icon. This will take you further into the administrative settings where you can manage various aspects of your Google Workspace account. After clicking on the admin icon, you'll be taken to a page where you should once again spot the option marked Admin Console. You can click on the provided link if available, which will take you directly there. Now that you're in the main admin console, search for account settings in the menu. Click on it to adjust your organization's account details. This menu houses important settings that define how your workspace environment operates. Within account settings, you will need to navigate to the legal and compliance section. This area is crucial because it deals with the legal framework of your Google Workspace usage, including all compliance related documents. Once you're in the legal and compliance settings, the next item to look for is an option entitled Google Workspace Cloud Identity HIPAA Business Associate Amendment. Clicking on this will bring up the agreement you need to sign. After clicking, you will be presented with the BAA. Carefully review the document to ensure you understand the terms and conditions. When you're ready, go ahead and provide your electronic signature and accept the agreement. It's worth taking the extra few minutes to read through the details to fully comprehend what you're agreeing to, even if you've done this before. And there you have it, you've successfully signed a BAA with Google Workspace. This process is not only quick but essential for maintaining compliance with HIPAA regulations if you manage sensitive health information. Following these steps ensures that your organization is on the right side of the compliance spectrum with minimal hassle. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more insights and helpful tips.